Hi everyone, I'm Katrina.
I'm Sharina, and we are
The Magayon
Girls. Okay, so today we are going to teach you about a few sentences in the English language translated into Bicol
dialect. The first sentence is,
that dog outside keeps on barking. It's so annoying.
iuragan suayam sa luwas, pig arat-aratan.
Okay, that's sentence number 1.
Then the sentence number 2, my mom is a nagger.
In Bicol, maribukon su ina ko, pig arat-aratan.
Sentence number 3,
Stop, you jerk, if you don't want to get beaten.
in Bicol, para pundo ka kung habo mong makastakan.
Sentence number 4.
Sleep is already late, or I'll kick you out of the house.
In Bicol, magkatuspo ka na, tabanggi na, kung habo mong pahalion ta kadigde.
And then sentence number 5,
This house is so filthy, it smells.
in Bicol, gulpihon so kalat digdig, namasta na suharong.
Okay, so those are the 5 basic sentences we've translated to Bicol. So we hope that you learned something new.
We hope that you enjoyed learning from us.
Okay.
And again, I'm Katrina,
I'm Sharina.
and we are the
Magayon Girls!
Thank you.
Bye-bye!